Sometimes before dawn, everything is clear as snow. The light thickens. The sky is filled with diamonds. The universe hums with wind and sun. The solar wind is magnetism, gravity, neither of which we understand. The world is driven in the end by all the things we don't understand, like the Yeti. Words reduce monsters or miracles to names. Words hide the real dark. Words mask space like fog, which holds the sky together. Existence is a walk, a direction. Every note predicts every other note. One sun is all you need to predict a world of suns, or a path. A footprint predicts a plot. A metronome-shaped rock is exposed in the snow. A fingerprint is all you need for a future. Like a Beethoven sonata, a new world is built from the first few flakes of snow. In its beginning is its end. The piano is unaware of the attack of the Yeti. You can see a metronome at the bottom. A metronome is the symbol of time. Time which structures our lives as children at the piano, as virtuosi in the concert hall. Piano legs are upside-down obelisks from which the ground of the piano is projected into space. An obelisk is frozen time, a ray of sun descending from the clouds, a sun pillar inscribed with hieroglyphs, which are a manual for the music of the spheres. And under the oppression of the silent fog, the tolling bell measures time, not our time, rung by the unhurried groundswell, a time older than the time of chronometers, trying to unweave, unwind, unravel, and piece together the past and the future. Between midnight and dawn, when the past is all deception, the future futureless, before the morning watch, when time stops and time is never ending, and the groundswell that is and was from the beginning clangs the bell. That's T.S. Eliot from the Four Quartets. The Yeti sees itself in the music stand. Pianos hold a mirror up to ourselves. We see ourselves reflected in music. The whole of the world hides in its parts. Piano is a secret, not easy to open. Pianos descend from the coffin family. Half of music is the silence that surrounds it. Like an obelisk, the stick and the lid rise to the sky. A metronome is also an obelisk, the symbol of all learning, of ancient Egypt, of George Fraser's Golden Bough, Robert Graves' mythology, Joseph Campbell's Masks, or Sax Rohmer's Brood of the Witch Queen. It's tempting to worship the confines of time, the bars of our cage. How do you release the atoms of time? Open the door simultaneously to the past and the future. As Auden says in his poem, As I Walked Out One Evening, but all the clocks in the city began to whir and chime. Oh, let not time deceive you. You cannot conquer time. In the burrows of the nightmare where justice naked is, time watches from the shadow and coughs when you would kiss. In headaches and in worry, vaguely life leaks away. and time will have his fancy tomorrow or today. Obelisks are handbooks of the heavens. The obelisk reminds us we are fallen from the stars. Music is the manual, the fingerprint behind which is the hand of heaven. Time is a path, but time is also a prison. Time in the end is just an excuse for killing time. Time is a blurry description of what happens. Like any cheap plot guide, time substitutes ticking for truth, cliches for revelations, captions for lives. Reality isn't about time. Reality is timeless.